electricity, how to handle the problem I mentioned before. We will walk through 4 pathways and 2 on this page. So, pathway 1 is large renewable basis. Focus, I'm not only talking about large renewable, but about basis. First, let me first figure out one thing. China is building huge wind and solar farm in some area. Well, this area, we can see where they are. So, I'm showing you this map. This map shows China's resources spatial and our electricity and population are located. We can first look upon 2 pictures upside. Wind energies are. In the picture, the color gets more red and there are more resources. So we can see where China got them. In our Inner Mongolia, it's a province of China. In Xinjiang, this huge place, and Ningxia, Qinghai, we can see they both in where? West and north. And they are gathering here, like this area, nothing. And the same pattern in wind energy. So you can see in some areas they both have solar energy and wind energy. So we're back to this page. Why we say they are not just renewable energy, they are basics. Because we want this area to combine these different types of energy into this one concept like multi-energy complementarity. Because in this different kind of energy, sometimes
compensate.
Sometimes they are
wind and solar compensate each other. We in some area we not just simply use the wind energy, okay? Not just the wind turbine, also PV photovoltaics, But sometimes we use it both simultaneously. We have wind and solar together, so we call it wind and solar complement. No, I know the phrase. Compensate to get each other. Okay. Usually wind is larger when it's at night. When wind is larger, wind is bigger. 我说了，我想画图。你先画吧，我就说嘛。Wind is bigger at night, and the solar is bigger at day. So wind and the solar compensate each other. Okay? Compensate each other.
This line for wind, they blow a lot during the night. But how about the solar? They only appear when sun shines. So you can see
that's
if
the compensation.
That's
the compensation. And usually we have a third. This is in the generation side. Sometimes in the microgrid. Sometimes in the microgrid we have a third way of power supply. That is storage. Mainly battery.